Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to pin a folder to the taskbar in Windows 11. If you have a folder that you open frequently, like one where you keep your apps, downloads, or work files, pinning it to the taskbar can make things super convenient. You'll be able to open it instantly with just one click without going through multiple menus or windows. So let's get started. First, find the folder that you want to pin. In this example, I'll be using a folder called APK. You can follow the same steps for any folder you want. Once you've located your APK folder, right-click on it. In the menu that appears, click on Show More Options. From there, hover your cursor over Send To, and then click Desktop, Create Shortcut. This creates a shortcut of your APK folder right on the desktop. Now, go to your desktop and you'll see a new shortcut for your folder there. It'll look just like the folder, but with a small arrow in the corner. That means it's a shortcut, not the original folder. Next, right-click on the APK shortcut and select Properties. A window will appear showing the shortcut's details. Look for the box labeled Target. Inside it, you'll see the full path of your folder, something like C:\users\your name\documents. Now, here's the important part. Before that path, you need to type this command, explorer.exe. Make sure there's a space after it. So it should now look like this, explorer.exe space your folder. Once you've added that, click Apply and then OK. This simple step tells Windows to open that folder directly through File Explorer when you click the shortcut. Now, we're almost done. Right-click on the same APK shortcut again and choose Show More Options. Then click Pin to Taskbar. And there you go. Your APK folder is now pinned to the Windows 11 taskbar. You'll see its icon right there alongside your apps. Click on it, and your folder opens instantly. No need to search through File Explorer or desktop icons every time. It's now just one click away. This little trick is great if you often access certain folders, whether it's for APK files, documents, images, or any other project you're working on. It saves time and keeps your workflow quick and organized. That's it. Super easy, and now your folder is ready for one-click access anytime you need it. Thanks for watching this tutorial on how to pin a folder, like the APK folder, to the taskbar in Windows 11. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more simple Windows 11 tips and tricks. I'll see you in the next video.